Megan, the love of my life. There are no words that come close to allowing me to express how I feel about you, but I will do my very best to convey it over the next few pages. From the moment I first saw you, I knew that you would change my life for the better. From your beautiful smile, your brilliant mind, your loving personality, your love for life, I can go on and on about how amazing of a woman that you are. Over the last 2.5 years, I have realized that you have completed me. You bring so much joy and love into my life. I only hope that we will continue to grow and love each other until death do us part. I cannot wait for you to be the mother of our children, and I am so excited to begin this chapter of our lives. I will cherish you, I will love you, I will protect you, and I will continue to be your rock and support forever. I love you so very much, honey. I am forever yours.
Ian, I vividly remember the day you walked into my life, not knowing that that day would be the first day of the rest of our lives together. I had no idea how much you would mean to me and how quickly you would become the only person who truly knows me inside and out. You are the person I want to tell everything to, and the one who has become my safe space when life becomes overwhelming. I stand before you not only with love, but with gratitude for every moment, lesson, and memory that has brought us to this day. Choosing you was the best decision I ever made. You have seen the best and worst of me. You have seen me through all my moods and overthinking and still choose to love me. Being with you is the most at home and safest I have ever felt. You are my calm in the storm, and I want to share every moment with. Thank you for always being there for me and choosing me even on the days I am not easy to love. I vow to show up for you and stand beside you on the best and the worst days, to always grow with you and to continue to love you more and more every day. I vow to always listen to you with an open heart and support you in everything you do. I promise to not only love you, but to honor you, respect you, and cherish you every day for the rest of my life. I vow to choose you every day and never take the life that we have built and continue to build for granted. I love you so much, and I can't wait to be your wife.
Thank you all for being here. Welcome to the wedding of Ian Mahaffey and Megan Acasis. Today, we all get to participate in their wedding. We get to celebrate all of the time, love, and work that they've put into their relationship. Marriage is a good thing. It's a step that God has ordained as good. It was at a wedding that Christ performed his first miracle, and I think that that's really significant. He wanted to show the importance of marriage, and in my opinion, the importance of celebrating it. Marriage does for your relationship what a mirror does for your appearance. A mirror can see all the good, and it can also see where you can improve, so I would encourage you to be a good mirror. And if you're truly loved by someone, they won't fail you. They might not be perfect, but they won't give up. Make that your personal commitment, and your love will never fail. Now, Ian and Megan will exchange their vows. I, Ian, take you, Megan, to be my wife. I will love you in easy times. And in difficult times. I will remember that. When in doubt. You are always right.
are always right.
Megan, repeat after me. I, Megan, take you, Ian, to be my husband. I will love you in easy times and in difficult times. I will remember that when in doubt, I am always right. Then it is my honor to declare you, Ian Mahaffey, and you, Megan Acasis, husband and wife, legally married. You may now kiss as husband and wife. Introducing for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Ian and Megan Mahaffey.
Slowed, I'm burning rubber, racing the thunder. Worn out suitcase and an old guitar. Restless mind, I've got a rebel heart, call me a runner. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever make it back to where I've been. I know my mama always said that if you lean on the ones that you love, you will find your way home. And even with a soul that's been out on the run, you will find your way home. And I'll be ready for you.
This love story didn't happen 2 years ago. It happened 34 years ago, the beginning. May 2nd, 1992. I married my lovely wife. The first time that, Megan brought Ian home and to meet us, we knew that it was something special. It's a team, you could see it, And then with that, it's what they say, a match made in heaven.
As I get a call one night from Ian, he goes, I've met this amazing woman. And I said, Ian, how do you define that? He said, well, she hunts more than I do. I meet her and I'm going, oh my God, it's true. She's amazing. She's smart. She fell in love with my son. And we're here tonight celebrating. So my third and final prayer was met. He met the love of his life.
I've seen something even more special in you since Megan came into your life. Megan, from the very beginning, it was clear how much you mean to my son and how much light and happiness you bring into his world. I want you to know how truly happy I am that you are now part of our family. Today, I don't feel like I'm gaining a daughter-in-law, but I'm gaining a daughter.
Meg is my younger and shorter sibling, but I've somehow always found myself looking up to her. To see her authentically be happy and authentically be loved has been nothing short of a blessing. You are both individually wonderful people, and together you make an amazing power couple.
I'm not related, but part of their family. On the behalf of the Mahaffey family, and the bastard invested in me, welcome the Mahaffey family.
May your life together be filled with love, laughter, deep friendship, and God's guidance every step of the way. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness.
Took the long road getting here. Our hearts were walking over time. I think the fog covered up my eyes, 'cause now I finally realize. 'Cause I was right, you were still fireballs away.
If you've been married for 24 hours or less, you may leave the dance floor. stay with your wife and keep loving her.
All right, what would you say?
The same, and Megan is always right.
That's it. Okay, what would you say?
Perseverance and a lot of prayer.
Beautiful.
Always kiss each other goodnight.
Beautiful.
I just want to do a bouquet presentation to someone who doesn't get a special dance, doesn't get to walk anybody down the aisle, doesn't get a speech, but who is there through everything from the first date, gets to hear how it was, through the first fight, the engagement, all the wedding planning drama. So, Mom, happy anniversary, but I'd like to present my bouquet to you, so thank you for being there for me through everything. So, I love you, Mom. Thank you.